Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your Paysafecard account. Now this is very easy and simple to do, so make sure you watch right to the end so that you don't miss any steps. So the first thing you want to do is be on the My Paysafecard website, and you just want to make sure you're logged in and be on your dashboard. So from here we want to find our settings, so we can find that by going in the top right corner under Account and then clicking Settings. From there, it will show you all your personal details, but if you scroll down to the very bottom, you will actually see that there's an option to close your account. So what you have to do from here is just click on this red button here under Close Account, and you'll be redirected to this page here. It says, are you sure you want to terminate your agreement and close your account? So if you do want to go ahead and permanently close your account, you can go ahead and click Close Account here. However, you do want to read this bit first as well. It says, should you require any further assistance, please contact us. Once your account is closed, you'll no longer be able to use My Paysafe, nor will you have access to your transactions, and you cannot reopen your account. So if you do close this, you will not be able to open it again, so do keep that in mind. So that is exactly how you can delete your Paysafecard account. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.